welcome back to my channel. It is Monday morning. I need to get my house in order, so I figured we could do that together today. I want to clean out my fridge a little bit, my pantry a little bit, plan out my meals for the week, kind of meal prep, head to the store, grab everything we need, and then kind of meal prep, put everything away, like just kind of spend the morning with me as I prep for a healthy week. Now, I am lucky because I have a short week this week. Michael and I have our 9-year wedding anniversary on Thursday. So we're going out of town for a few nights to have like a little couples alone time, just the two of us, which is gonna be so nice. And we're gonna be celebrating our anniversary. Hopefully the weather is good where we're going. So I only have to prep for like 3-4 days. So that's kind of a good thing. If you guys like this video and you wanna see me prep for like the full 7-day week, we can do that next time. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. As you know, I upload videos every Monday. This is my new channel that focuses on health and wellness. But in the meantime, I need to eat and drink and get some caffeine in me, and then we'll sit down and we will plan. So I've shown this thing quite a few times, this drawer in my house. I've shown this thing quite a few times. I randomly got this at Target, and when I feel like writing things down and being super official, I'll use this little like weekly planner and write down our meals for the week and then write down my grocery list. So it's super cute actually. I just randomly got this at Target probably like a year ago. I don't even know if you can tell, but it's super cute. So I might use that today, but to be honest, most of the time, I just use my phone and I keep it super simple. I kind of have a craving tonight to do like steak and like a wedge salad, like a steak salad. That sounds super good. And I really don't know about the rest of the week. I think I'll just go through the fridge and kind of see what we have, what we don't have. But we're gonna keep it super simple and super dialed in. I am, like I said, going out of town later in the week. There's gonna be some indulgences and some treats, which is like A-okay. I'm excited. We've been looking forward to that. But I wanna make sure I have it really dialed in these next few days leading into that. And that just makes me feel my best too. Something I've been working on also is meal timing, so we can talk about that later, but I've really been focusing on that. So speaking of meal timing, I need to eat. So I just got done with my workout. I did shoulders today and like they're burning, like they're on fire. I'm dying. So I'm finishing up my water here. But let's make a protein coffee. I'll show you my recipe. I'm gonna make some eggs and toast. And we'll put our meal plan together and go to the store. And then in my shaker cup, I'm gonna do 8 ounces of milk. I have been doing Fairlife because it has 13 grams of protein. I shared this recipe over on Instagram earlier in the week, but it's a great, easy way for me to get in a little bit extra protein without really trying. So speaking of meal timing, I like to front load my protein. I like to front load my carbs and just like even front load my meals. Like I've talked about this before. I think of my meals as a funnel. I like to eat my bigger meals earlier in the day and then slowly taper off. But I have even noticed, I'm doing a scoop of protein, Clean Simple Eats Snickerdoodle, code Alex. I have even noticed that for me, like really eating like lower carb at dinner, a little bit higher fat and higher protein, that really satiates me and it just really has helped with my digestion. I love this protein because it's grass-fed whey with digestive enzymes, so helps with digestion. So let's shake up that protein shake. Of course, you could drink it just like this, but I like the caffeine for a little added boost. Okay, pour your shake over the ice and then add some coffee. I have the Stoke cold brew. So today I'm trying to think about what store we're going to. Typically I do Costco like once a month, and you guys saw that grocery haul last week, so I don't need to go to Costco yet. I'm trying to decide if I want to do Publix or Whole Foods. I typically do Publix. I used to just be like a Whole Foods snob and like only go to Whole Foods, but it's just too expensive. Like I'm just not going there every week. So I honestly just go there for meat. And I think that's what we might do today. That's so good. All right, so for my post meal today, I have some toast with butter and jam, some egg whites with sriracha, and some turkey bacon. This is like pretty much my biggest meal of the day, and I try to just fit a lot of fuel in. It makes me feel so good and gives me energy. I also have my protein coffee, so I'm gonna sit and eat this while I work on the meal plan and catch up on work, and then we'll chat what I picked out probably at the store, and we'll kind of go through it. So yeah, I feel like this is a great balance of carbs from the bread, and I've got protein from the egg whites, the turkey bacon, and the coffee, and I've got some fats from the butter. Could have done regular eggs, but regular eggs have just been like a huge turn off to me lately. I don't know why, the smell. I go through phases with eggs. So egg whites are good, so I'm gonna eat egg whites. Let's eat. Okay, I'm cracking up because I was thinking about, am I gonna film in the store? Am I gonna bring my camera in, my phone, whatever, just thinking about this video. And I was remembering back when I first started my channel, I think this was like right around the time Michael and I got engaged. I had got a GoPro and I was so excited about it, and I was fearless when it came to filming in public. And I had a head strap for my GoPro, a head strap, like people that do extreme outdoor sports and stuff, or like water things film with. Like there's no need for me to have this head strap, but I had a head strap because I really wanted that POV of like what my eyes were looking at in the store. And so I put the head strap on, put the GoPro on, and filmed throughout Publix for like just the entire trip. And then I remember going up to the cash register. We were in Florida for some reason on vacation. And the guy was like, "So what are you shooting?" And I was just like, "Oh, I'm just testing out my GoPro." And yeah, I just remember that. I've just always been filming in the grocery store. But this time I will not embarrass myself to that degree. But I'll get a couple phone clips. So we're going to do Publix first and Whole Foods. Out, so I feel like I already look sweaty, but we got what we needed in there. I actually don't even need to go to Whole Foods because I found some good quality, like organic grass-fed meat in there. I was watching a video the other day of this guy, and he was like showing his grocery haul and being like, "Look, I got groceries for so cheap. It was like $100 for the whole week." And I'm like, dude, you're one guy. Like, I feel like if you times that by 4, that's not cheap. And there's 4 of us. So I really try to like take that into account and just, I don't know though, there's like only so much you can do because my kids want certain snacks. I want certain quality. You know, everybody has their things that they like, but I'll show you guys everything that I got when we get home. So I normally go shopping with the kids, and it was so much faster without them, but I prefer to go with them. It's just like, makes it more fun. But Michael took them on a little afternoon activity so I could film today. All right, so let me walk you through what I got. This way you can actually see brands and see everything. So for me, I got some organic chicken wings. I'm gonna do these in the air fryer. Gonna be so good with like some homemade ranch cottage cheese dip. Tonight we're going to do like a steak salad. So I got some ribeye and we'll do that with a wedge salad, organic, grass-fed. And then I always get this meat at Whole Foods. So it was like perfect, I didn't even have to go. I got some ground beef. We're gonna do like some little burger bowls again, which I already showed the recipe for that on my channel. It's like one of my second video on this channel. So check that out. Baking powder to go on the chicken wings. For snackies, we are all obsessed with popcorners. The white cheddar, like just, they're so good. But we haven't tried this flavor yet, so I'm gonna already got those. And then my Rocco loves hummus and he loves pickles. So I thought he would like this. He ate pickles and hummus and chips for breakfast this morning. Like, it's just all he wanted. And I was like, okay, it's weird, but okay. So I got him this. So I'm sure he'll like it. I couldn't find pickle dip there, and that's what he wanted, but I got him that. They both love these as a little snack on car rides and stuff. Some chips for the hummus, some pretzel chips. Also for the kids, I got them some cereal and some waffles. These are just great kind of like pantry freezer staples to always have on hand. We make them eggs and toast and sausage and bacon and all those things in the morning, but these are great for mornings where they just want something simple and like easy, or they want something fast or whatever. Coffee, orange juice for the kids, milk for my coffee. Okay, and then moving back into the produce, I got some hearts of romaine and then I got like a salad bag one and a regular one. So I'm gonna do that wedge salad tonight. So I got this for that. I'll like cut them up and leave them. You know what I mean? Like I'll just cut them in half and kind of leave it like that. And then this is for the burger bowls. So we're doing like 2 salads this week. Green beans are a staple. I buy them every single week. My kids love them. I love them. We all eat them like crazy. Yellow potatoes, another staple for us. I've shown you guys how I make these in the air fryer. They're just so easy and so good with taco seasoning. Okay, and then some fruit. We go through berries. Do you even have toddlers if you don't go through berries like crazy? We are all berry fiends, but especially the 2 of them. So I got 3 things of raspberries because they were like 3 for $10. And the blueberries and blackberries were buy one, get one free. So I got both of those. These ones are organic, which is always nice to get. And then these are so good. I'm not a huge tomato person, but I always want to be. And I bought these last week because I just thought they looked pretty, but they were so good. So I'm gonna put these in our burger bowls and our wedge salads. And the kids liked them too, so that's always a plus. Grapes were on sale, avocados. My kids love avocado toast. We just try to get in. Avocados and raspberries are like my 2 staples for getting the kids to eat fiber and for myself. So those are like 2 high fiber, unexpectedly high fiber foods. So great for digestion, great for immunity, great for overall health. And so I try to get those in every single day with them. I got some red onion, yellow onion, green onion. I'm gonna try these in my egg whites. Some blue cheese for the wedge salad. Julian requested apples, Rocco requested bananas. I needed a lemon for the dressing I'm gonna make for the wedge salad. And I got some deli meat. I don't eat deli meat all the time, but I do in a pinch when I just need some protein. I want an easy lunch. I'll do a little wrap. I've showed this wrap on my stories. I do boar's head meat and cheese with a little mission tortilla wrap, some Dijon mustard, some pickles, maybe some lettuce. Good to go. I'm probably gonna have that for lunch today. And that's it. So that is everything that I picked up for the week. Again, the meals that we're doing is the ribeye with the wedge salad tonight. We're gonna do the chicken wings with the green beans and the potatoes tomorrow night. The night after that, we're gonna do the grass-fed beef burger bowls. I have the recipe on my channel. It's a few ones back. I will link it here for you guys. But that's our meal plan for the week. For breakfast, we stick with kind of like the eggs and the fruit and the toast. All that stuff. For lunch, I'll do the wraps or kind of like leftovers, and we have our snacks. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the morning with me, seeing my post-workout meal, seeing my routine of how I prep and plan our meals for the week, and then how I grocery shop, what I bought, and then my plan for dinners for the week. Hopefully that was some inspiration for you if you needed some meal ideas for this week. Again, if you guys want to see a full like how I plan for 7 days, I could do that in the next coming weeks. Just let me know. I wanted to get a video up for you today because you know I love posting videos every single Monday on health and wellness and just really how to incorporate like healthy, high protein meals that are fast and quick and easy for you and your family, and how to prioritize your wellness journey throughout busy seasons of life. So I hope you guys are enjoying this channel. I noticed that you all really enjoyed my Costco haul from, I think it was not last week, but the week before. So I thought it would be fun to show you kind of more of like my daily staples and things that I just grabbed from the regular grocery store on a weekly basis. And this is pretty much it. And then I use Costco to kind of supplement in here and there. But give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'd love to hear from you down below in the comments here, how your wellness journey is going, how your health journey is going, what recipes you're making and loving this summer. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Monday.